Maria and Hasan take a few crumbs of bread from their lunch and carefully place them near the bird. It was a bright morning, and Hasan and Maria were walking to the park. They noticed a small bird sitting on the ground near a tree, looking weak and hungry.
Don't worry, little one. We'll help you.
Maria gently picks up the bird, and Hasan looks around to see if they can help. Maria and Hasan take a few crumbs of bread from their lunch and carefully place them near the bird.
Here you go, little bird. Look, Maria, it's eating the crumbs.
Hasan and Maria both stand up, feeling content, knowing they've helped the little creature.
It's good to help those in need, even animals.
The bird is seen flying away, healthy and strong, as Hasan and Maria continue their walk through the park,